At the opening of the summit, members of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, observers, dialogue partners, guests of the Presidium, and more than 20 foreign heads of state, government leaders and partners, as well as 10 members of the international organization, arrived one after another to pay their respects. With the music of the famous songs of each country, international guests passed the flags of each country, the flags of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, and the flags of the United Nations, the flags of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, walked along the red carpet. Xi Jinping and Peng Liyuan warmly welcomed the couple of foreign leaders, held hands with them, and greeted each other. Xi Jinping and Peng Liyuan took a photo with the couple of foreign leaders. In the graceful welcome song, Xi Jinping and Peng Liyuan walked into the banquet hall. Xi Jinping said, on behalf of the Chinese government and the Chinese people, he warmly welcomed the international guests attending the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit in Laihua. Xi Jinping emphasized that since the establishment of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, it has always maintained the spirit of Shanghai, consolidates the solidarity, deepens pragmatic cooperation, participates in international and regional affairs, and becomes an important force to promote the construction of new international relations and the common destiny of mankind. At present, the world's 100-year change is accelerating. Uncertainty, instability, and unexpected factors are increasing significantly. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization maintains regional peace and stability and promotes the responsibility of developing prosperity in all countries. This summit, which combines the consensus of all parties, stimulates the driving force of cooperation and undermines the important mission of the development blueprint. I believe that under the joint efforts of all parties, the summit will be a complete success. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization will show greater performance and achieve greater development to promote the unity and cooperation of member states, gather forces from all over the world, and assist in the progress of human civilization to make greater contributions. Xi Jinping pointed out that Tianjin is an open and inclusive city. It has long been an important economic hub and a pioneering area for China's reform and opening up. Under the strategic guidance of economic cooperation, China's modernized Tianjin chapter continues to show new signs. The Tianjin Summit will definitely contribute to the continuous development of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and inject new vitality.
Let us, under the spirit of Shanghai, set off again from Tianjin towards a better future and start a new journey.
Let us feel the beauty of harmony. Let us feel the power of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and the great spirit of unity and cooperation. Wang Xiaotong and others attended the event. Before the welcome banquet began, the guests visited the Tianjin Intangible Cultural Heritage Exhibition.
陈敏尔、王晓红等出席活动。欢迎宴会开始前，贵宾们参观了天津非物质文化遗产展示。